In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to a Wix website in 25, step by step. To get started, log into your Wix account and open the Wix editor for the site where you want your Instagram feed to appear. Make sure you're working on the correct website before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one site in your dashboard. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side and click Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. This is where Wix gives you different options for adding content and features to your page. From here, choose either Embed Code or App Market, depending on the method you prefer. If you decide to use the App Market, click App Market and search for Instagram Feed. Wix will show you different app options, so take a moment to choose one that fits your layout and display needs. Some apps focus on simple gallery-style feeds while others offer more customization. When you found the one you want, click Add to Site and follow the setup instructions on screen. During setup, Wix or the app will prompt you to connect your Instagram account. Go ahead and sign in when asked, then grant the necessary permissions so your website can display your Instagram content properly. These permissions are required so the feed can pull in your posts and keep the display updated. After the connection is complete, you'll be able to customize how the feed looks, adjust the layout, choose how many posts you want to show, and fine-tune the spacing and other display settings. This is a good time to match the feed to the style of your website so it feels consistent with the rest of your design. Next, drag the Instagram feed into position on your page. Place it wherever it makes the most sense for your visitors, whether that's on your homepage, a dedicated social section, or near the footer. Make sure the feed is aligned well and doesn't feel cramped next to other page elements. Once everything looks right, click Save to keep your changes. Saving is important so you don't lose any of the adjustments you just made. After that, click Publish to make the Instagram feed live on your website. And that's it. Your Wix site should now display your Instagram feed, giving visitors an easy way to see your latest content directly from your website. If needed, you can always return to the editor later to update the layout or refine the display settings.